Well, I have the Sena back. I don't have it set up yet. I do not know if I have the audio good or not, but I have it back. And that's a start. I'll play with it later. Just riding to work now, as you can see. Oh, the lens cap is on! Alright, let's take the lens cap off. Now, just for the record, I lost my lens cap on the original one like a week after I had it, so I haven't had to use a lens cap in a while. So, don't blame me for... I'm not that bad. I'm not that senile yet. It hasn't kicked in. Look at all the palm trees. My day is almost over. My time here. I should turn the other camera on. Compare them. I mean, the angles will be slightly different, but not dramatically. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd. I leave Saturday on the 7th, and I can't wait to ride cross country. I miss it. I love it. I come to California every winter just because I love the ride out, and I love the ride back, and I love that somebody else is paying for it. Just saying. No, not getting run over. Not getting run over. Yep. Let me open my face shield. I know the wind noise will increase, but you know what? From what I've listened to, it just takes some of the muffle sound out. It doesn't really sound bad to me, but whatever. I don't expect studio sounds from a helmet cam. I expect clear speaking only. Anything more than that's if you can understand what I'm saying, that's good enough. Ugh. And away we go to work.